Good evening. So, what exactly is going on? Are we being trolled? Are these just really good deepfakes? Because let's be honest, this stuff looks insane. A Yeti on CCTV, a Minotaur stealing a scooter, a goblin spotted under a motorway bridge. I mean, seriously? And yet, here we are. Clip after clip keeps surfacing and nobody can explain them. Is this mass hysteria or is something real slipping through the cracks? You decide. Here's the first video that's causing chaos online. And just when you thought we were done with surprises, footage has now surfaced of what appears to be a Minotaur. Yes, half man, half bull, full petrol station. The clip begins, oddly enough, with a man filling up his car. But what happens next has had experts in the internet spinning. First question, why a petrol station? Second question, are we just hallucinating as a species now? Whatever the case, what you're about to see has not been edited, filtered, or altered. If you're watching this thinking, there's no way this is real. Well, that's exactly what the people who filmed it said too, until they saw the footage back.
You're not going to believe this. I'm outside Tesco right now and mate, look behind me.
This is crazy. You need to get this on the news, mate. It's crazy.
2 sightings, 1 week, 1 deer-like, 1 horned freak on a stolen scooter, and now this. We've just received footage from Eastern Europe. I'm warning you, it's disturbing. This isn't someone playing dress-up. This thing moved wrong, looked wrong, same pattern, no warning, no context, just chaos. So, what the hell is happening? Are we looking at some coordinated stunt, a mass delusion, or is this something no one's ready to admit? Let's take a look. Okay, what did we just watch? That wasn't a raccoon. That thing looked at the camera like it knew exactly what it was doing. And was that a cat? Is anyone going to talk about the cat? I don't know what that thing was, and frankly, I'm not sure I want to. But apparently, it's not the only one. Let's go live to our correspondent who's on the ground where another sighting just took place. And this one's even weirder.
Okay, I don't know what that was, but it wasn't human. I swear, it just came out of the trees and stared at me. I think it saw me filming. No, scratch that. It definitely saw me. I'm getting the hell out of here. That thing wasn't a bear. If anyone finds this footage, don't come up here. Not alone. I'm shaking. I swear this is real. It just walked out from behind the trees. Not a bear, not a moose. I saw its eyes. I think it knew I was filming. I'm not staying here.
I don't know what's going on anymore. We've gone from strange shadows to outright creatures, and now a Bigfoot in Canada, eating cats in the UK. If you're not already questioning reality, maybe it's time you did. Authorities still refuse to comment. Sightings are increasing, and not just here. We're getting reports from across the globe. My advice, lock your doors. Stay home and stay tuned, because this isn't over.